Hello, I'm Dr. Craig Woods. I'm a veterinarian. I'm going to talk briefly about a disorder that dogs get called cognitive dysfunction disorder. Cognitive dysfunction is really an age-related decline in the dog's ability to think or thought process. And it often manifests itself in older dogs, and we oftentimes see them as, oh, they're just staring into the wall, or they get lost in their own household, an environment that they should know very well. Sometimes they even will have alterations in their sleeping patterns, so they might be getting up in the middle of the night, wandering around the house. It's important to address this with your veterinarian because oftentimes, most dogs are okay with this, but unfortunately some dogs, if they get lost or they can't make their way back to the house, if they're left outdoors, does represent a danger. Unfortunately, there's no clear-cut diagnostic that we can do. We can't draw blood and look in the blood and say, oh, this dog has cognitive dysfunction. Oftentimes, it's a collection of the owner and the veterinarian going over the history of the dog. Have they been starting to do some unusual behaviors? And then oftentimes we can classify it appropriately into cognitive dysfunction.